Hey guys, this is the weekly chart for Shopify. I'm going to be using the retracement level here as an example, and then also I will go into the daily chart as well. So again, this is the weekly chart. I'll try to make this video really quick. For the Fibonacci retracement, I just start at the low where I see it in the chart here. So again, since this is the weekly chart, I see a low of $1.85. I'll click there and I'll drag it to the high that I see. The high there in the chart is 176.29, and then the low is 185. So with the Fibonacci retracement here lined up, everything is automatically estimated, right? So we have currently the current price is $66.63. So $68.48 is going to be resistance on the way up, right? And then on the bottom here, we do have support at $39.18. All right. And then I created this horizontal line because if we go into the daily chart, I created an additional horizontal line, putting it right where the price recently bounced here, and that's just an approximate level right there, right around 55.84. Again, that's just an approximate level for another support to keep an eye out for. So you can create a Fibonacci retracement and then also add in your own horizontal lines where you find or where you speculate there to be support, right? So prices where you see there's a sell-off and then a bounce, that is a possible support level. And the more bounces there are at that support level, the more confirmation it is a support. Same for the opposite. If you see price not being able to break above a certain point, that could be a resistance level. For in this example, this would be 68.48. Right, 68.48 before was also a support level. However, once we've broken down below it, it has become a resistance level. Even on the daily chart, you can also create another Fibonacci level where you see the low all the way to the high. And then to make it easier to see, you can also change the color. All right, so what you see here in teal or blue, that is the daily chart for the Fibonacci retracement. And then here you can see all the possible short-term resistances and support levels. Right. Sorry, that would be long-term as well, actually, since this is the daily chart. And then real quick, just to recap on what we went over on the other videos, right? Once we see the 50 EMA cross above the 200 EMA, that is a bullish crossover. That means you can expect to see movement to the top side. And then once you see the green line cross down to the yellow line, which is the 100 EMA, that means price may possibly sell off, right? And here we have a bit of a sell-off down here. And then again, another bullish crossover to the top side here. And then back down to a warning here into a bearish crossover. All right. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and hopefully this video was helpful in terms of Fibonacci retracement as well as some horizontal lines. All right. So again, for horizontal lines, you can put this where you see support and then also where you see resistance. But Fibonacci retracement is pretty nice overall. It does some nice estimate levels for supports and resistances.